Hi everyone, hi, it's Christine Crowell here, and I am really super excited because I'm actually getting a quite a lot of subscriptions, and I'm super happy about this. I'm sharing this with you so that you can see what I'm doing on a daily basis and seeing how it's going to encourage you to get your videos on YouTube and to, some people, they just post once a day, which is great. That's wonderful. If you want to get in, getting monetized quickly, then one a day is the perfect solution, for example. But if you've got that extra energy, like me, I've got a lot of energy, for example, then I'm posting more than once a day. I'm already monetized anyway, but I wanted to say thank you to all of you that's been subscribing to my YouTube channel. And also, I'm here to give you some hints and tips of how you can grow your channel as well. Now, today, I think I've done 3 videos so far, for example, long form videos. And then I got my team to upload 6 shorts for me today, for example, but there's more that needs to be done. That was done manually. So I want to explain to you about, the difference, because I do use a particular software tool for uploading, so that you can upload quite a few shorts, for example. It's AI generated, as of course, and I said it was the tool that I use was Opus, which I know that if it's just you, if it's a one-man band like how I started, Opus would be perfect for you. I'm going to put the link here because I didn't put it in yesterday's one, so I need to find the link, and then I'll put the link in here for you to use. It's Opus, O for orange, P for P, U for umbrella, S for sugar, for example, .com. And I use that. I also use YouTube Buddy as well. And I think that really helps me with the SEOs and things like that as well. But I wanted to come on here to say that, because I'm posting, I believe I'm posting a lot. It's actually created that I've had in 7 days, 20 subscribers, which I'm really happy with that. I'm not looking for thousands and thousands. And to be honest, if I did get that, I'd be over the moon. I'd be just jumping for joy. But, I only started this monetization really since 3 months. Well, not 3 months. I'm in my 3rd month now. And I'm ramping things up now. I'm getting faster. I'm getting quicker at doing things as well. Look, I am 60 this year. And I must say to you, I am so energized. I don't know whether it's because, well, I believe it is as well. I went to the outside chapel today and I prayed. And like I said, here in Cyprus, it's Epithy Day, for example, and I probably pronounced that wrong, so do forgive me for that. Epiphany Day, for example. And I was also speaking to an historian today who comes from Cyprus in Paphos, and when I was talking to him, I just felt so energized. I felt that, God was with me and pushing me to give me strength, for example. And I want to be able to give you the strength to keep pushing with your YouTube channel, because we may be 60 years old, or you may be 50, or you may be in your 40s, for example, or even younger, for example, but we still got energy. We still got energy. And I want to give you that energy so that you know that this will work. But if you want to do your video once a week, then do your video once a week and just make it so that it lasts for 20 minutes, 45 minutes or more. And make it so that it is going to be valuable to the people that are watching this. So like I said, I'm just giving you an update from my update. 20 subscribers. My views are starting to go up again. For example, like I've just uploaded one video and it gave me 60 views so far, for example, and I'm about to upload um, this video, for example, and it probably will give me more views as well. So there's lots of views when you upload videos. So like I said, my team, one of my team members uploaded 6 shorts, I believe. It's important though, when you do upload these shorts, that that the file is SEO'd, that it does have the, you know, the name of the video title, that it's SEO'd so it's easy to find in the search engine. It helps YouTube as well to know what type of video it is, rather than, because if you just upload the file and it's just numbers, then that's not going to be SEO'd, for example. So that's something which you need to be aware of, that when you do upload your video, that it needs to have the SEO titles in there, like your tags and things like that. That's going to make it stronger in the search engines on YouTube, for example. Now, some of mine don't have that, and you know, I've mentioned that today, that it needs to have the SEO tags in there so that it's searchable on the search engine. It's not about volume, it really is about quality as well. Okay, volume is good, it is good because one of them will hit, for example, but also quality is key as well. And like I said, I've got 20 subscribers now I'm at, and my views for yesterday was 566, whereas the day before yesterday was 593, and I did a lot more. And I mean a lot more, probably could be double more in terms of shorts wise, for example. So yesterday was, even though it was a busy day, it was less videos. Now I am going live today at 7 p.m. UK time, which isn't very long away. But today's video is really about how I make my money on YouTube as a business coach. And you may want to listen to this, because if you want to be a business coach, for example, no matter what product you're selling or you're serving people, coaching, mentoring, training, educational, etc., it may be something that you want to listen to. So I'd love for you to join me tonight live. I'm going to put the link to the live training tonight so that you can join me. But if you've subscribed and you should be notified that I'm going live today at 7 p.m. And I wanted to, you know, just talk to you about how important it is to, when you're doing a video, to pace yourself and to think about what it is that you want to say. And sometimes you want to say something, you know, whilst it's still in your head, rather than just save it for later. You can write it down, and then when you do your video, then you can talk about it then. Or if you feel it's something that's needs to be quick and said, then just shoot a quick video. It can be a short, it can be a 3-minute video, which is really good. A 3-minute video can stand out as well, and YouTube picks that up as well. But at the same time, you can do the longer ones as well and mention what it is that you want to say at that time. You don't have to necessarily jump on and do a quick video. But I notice some people, when they are in their car, for example, they're shooting a quick video whilst they're waiting, or they're about to have their lunch break, or etc. So there's no, you know, there's something that there for you, that you can actually do the same. And like I said, although I'm going to be 60 this year, and I am doing this to look at semi-retirement, for example, but also to help you to look at ways that you can make money on YouTube, for example, because there's various ways, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, earlier, but you can just pace yourself. Don't let it take you over, because it can seem addictive. You know, doing this video thing, it can be a bit addictive. And I'm just telling you about how I feel when I'm doing my videos, that, you know, it can kind of like take over what you're doing, for example, in the day. I've got a business that I run. I focus on doing my block hours, for example, for my clients, for example, and I've been back to work today, looking at emails, etc., looking at my calendar and trying to schedule my time for meeting with clients, but also scheduling my blocked hours, because I block off hours like 90 minutes, for example, to work on a file, for example. But you can also do the same. You can have a calendar and block off time when you're going to work on your YouTube. You know, what is your content going to be about for the week? What is possibly trending? Sometimes YouTube gives you notification about what's trending and what is popular right now, what's very high and what is medium, what is low. So you can look at that as well for some inspiration as well. And what I will say to you is, don't look at the revenue straight away. Just focus on the value and what it is that you're going to be offering to organizations. And you will get emails, and it needs to really resonate with you about what it is that you want to offer. If you're getting offered sponsorship, for example, for a company to sponsor you to sell their products, to talk about their products, sorry, and then you've got a link there, for example, then you need to, you know, look at, does that resonate with you? Because once you become monetized, you'll then be shown, you know, you'll get to see in your YouTube, your back office, it will say brand connect, for example, and then you can click it, and then you can fill out your details to say, hey, I'm available to sell brands. This is my channel. I cater to this age group. I cater to this, for example, this is usually my subject, for example, and they can see it from your YouTube channel anyway, about what it is that you will be focusing on your YouTube channel. So like I said, you've got to just keep pushing forward. And if I can do it, coming up to 60, then us 50 and 60-year-olds, we can give it a go as well. And I love seeing your emails. Sorry, I love seeing your messages to say that, you know, you're starting up again, and that you're feeling inspired, for example, and that it's good to see these types of videos from someone of their age as well, just to let them know that we can do videos as well. Okay. And, you know, I feel so happy that I'm able to share this with you, for example, and to keep pushing you forward, for example, and look at your analytics, because you'll see your busy times. YouTube will tell you when your busy times are anyway for your location, but also you'll see it in your channel analytics, you know, when your views go up, when they go down, you see the numbers go up, then you may see them go down, and you'll start to feel a rhythm, and then you'll think, okay, I'm going to do a video at this time because it's going to get more exposure. I already mentioned earlier about the subtitles, having them in different languages so that you can reach more people around the world. Just like how Mr. Beast does. He does this where he does multiple languages, and he's spent a fortune on it, but YouTube are offering it to you for free. All you've got to do is add those subtitles where people can read them in their language. But there is, in America, there's this thing that's coming up, which is called dubbing. And what it is it's actually you there on video, but you're talking in a foreign language. So it's AI that's speaking in a foreign language, and you're talking to people from around the world who will be interested in your products and services. So isn't this a wonderful thing that you can be international globally and talk the language of people that are from around the world that you want to connect with? That's the beauty of the internet, is that we don't have to just be in our location, although that is fine. You can be in your location if you're a location business, that is fine, and that is up to you, but you can be global. You can still have your local business, but also be global. If you're doing products and services, then why not? Because it's going to increase your revenue income stream. And like I said, you don't have to be based where you're selling your products. You can be global as long as you know what that product is about and you've got that experience, then you can do it. If you are educational, for example, you can do it anywhere around the world. There's no reason why you can't be worldwide and do that training, for example. So I just wanted to quickly shoot this video to you just to say, look, you know, my numbers is kind of staying the same, but I'm quite happy with that. Like I said, I don't want fast growth. I want it to be steady growth. And I want Google to see that I am serious, YouTube, sorry, to see that I am serious. And we all know that YouTube owns Google, for example. They're both interconnected. But I just wanted you to hear the great news that I've had in 7 days, 20 subscribers. I know it doesn't seem like a much, but this has been within the last couple of days, really. But I'm saying 7 days because that's what I'm looking at in the last 7 days, for example, with regards to my audience. And it is just amazing. So, for example, on the 3rd of January, I had 11 subscribers. And then Sunday, I had, which was yesterday, the 8th of January, 8 subscribers, for example. Then I also had on the 1st, 5 subscribers. So I'm just giving you, you know, an overview of how that happens as well and when. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's keep working. Let's keep posting our videos if you can. And let's build the community together, because YouTube really wants to also help small creators as well. I'm not saying it's easy, but once you know how to do your videos, you're learning. As you're learning each thing, you're getting stronger and stronger, and then it will become easy and you'll find your natural pace. You will find your natural talent as well as the pace of how slow or fast or medium you want to be. This is no race. It's your journey. All right, so thank you. Do like and subscribe. I'm going to put the link here if you can join me tonight. I'd love for you to be there, and let's move forward with our YouTube channels. All right, take care. Thank you. Bye.